front of me is OPPO A57S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find Clock app and click on it. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now, in order to add your alarm, tap on this plus icon and set up an hour. Over here you can choose ring once or select custom and tap on repeat. Then click on days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with every Wednesday and every Friday. Now click on the back button. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and tap on those two switches next to vibrate and snooze to disable or enable those features. Finally, click on ringtone, select allow, and choose one of those options. You can choose custom by tapping on this device, clicking on song from your smartphone and going back. As you can see, I don't have any. You can select weather adaptive, or just tap on one of those system ringtones to set up the best one for you, like Dreamy Jazz. Finally, to save your alarm, choose check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it, selecting one of those options, and enable it the same way. In order to delete it though, hold it, choose delete option, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always edit your alarm by clicking on it, making your changes, and tapping on the check mark again. In order to manage even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and manage all of them however you wish to, like ring duration. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!